I'm going to teach you how to download Roblox Studio so you can start creating your own Roblox games. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel because that really helps support the work we do here. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open a new tab on your computer and go to roblox.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Roblox account. After logging in, you should see the main Roblox homepage that you're probably already familiar with. What you need to do now is look at the top menu and click on Create. This will take you to Roblox Creator Hub, which is basically the main hub for Roblox developers and creators. Once the page opens, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Home. Usually, this is the page that opens automatically after clicking Create from the Roblox website. Right near the top of the page, you should see an option called Get Roblox Studio. All you have to do is click the Download button, and the Roblox Studio installer will start downloading in your browser. After the download finishes, open the installer by double-clicking it either from your browser's recent downloads bar or directly from your Windows Downloads folder, like I mentioned earlier. This will launch the Roblox Studio installer. At this point, you just need to wait for the installation bar to fully load and finish installing all the required files.
If you couldn't find the option to download the Roblox Studio installer, there's another method you can use. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Studio. Just click on it, and if Roblox Studio is not already installed on your computer, you should see a Download Studio button appear on the page. That's another easy way to install Roblox Studio. Now, if neither of those methods works for you, you can also open Google and search for Download Roblox Studio. Then click on one of the first results that appears, making sure that you're on the official Roblox website. Once you're there, scroll down a little, and you'll also find the option to download Roblox Studio from there.
When the installation is complete, Roblox Studio should open automatically on your computer. And that's it. This is Roblox Studio, the application you'll use to create your own Roblox games, maps, scripts, and experiences. Most Roblox accounts already come with a starter experience created automatically for you. To open it, just go to the left sidebar inside Roblox Studio or the Creator Hub, click on Experiences, and then select the experience that was created on your account. As soon as you open it, you'll already have your very first Roblox game project ready for editing, and from there, you can start adding objects, building maps, scripting mechanics, and customizing your game however you want. Now, I'm not going to lie, Roblox Studio can feel a little overwhelming when you first open it. There are a lot of buttons, menus, tools, and features everywhere on the screen. But that's completely normal. The important thing is to take your time and learn things little by little. With enough patience and practice, you'll gradually understand how the application works, what each tool does, and how developers create games on Roblox. Over time, it becomes much easier and a lot more fun to use. And once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to start creating your own games and experiences for other players to enjoy on Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and guides. See you in the next video.